This is our little lunch Charla made while we're getting ready. Some apple, some jalapeno, Mary's Gone crackers with vegan cream cheese on top, some cashews, and banana with peanut butter on top. My favorite snack. And Charla has opposite of me. She puts peanut butter on her apples, which is also good actually. I like that too. Peanut butter on anything is good pretty much. Morning everybody. Morning Sharks.
Morning Sharks.
One of Charla's viewers commented in the section that her fan base should be called Sharks, and I definitely vote yes, yes, yes. That's a great name, Sharks.
What do you guys think of that? Good morning, Sharks.
Such a good ring to it. I think we got your intro. We are now on our way to Roppongi Hills to YouTube Space, where we are doing some detective thing, a secret mission.
Secret mission.
There's an event at YouTube Space, and we're gonna be on a team, us two and Mime and 3 other people, and we are trying to solve some mystery.
Yeah.
And we're against like 20 other teams or something like that. So we're gonna play that, and everyone has different times, so we're all going at different times to solve the mystery, and then we're gonna wait, and then the answer is revealed. However, tonight I have to leave a bit early because I'm going to Summer Sonic, and I'm gonna go see Radiohead tonight, so I have to leave. I think I won't hear the answer, but yeah, it's gonna be fun anyways. It's gonna be a fun day. So we are just heading there now, and we're gonna meet up with Mime, and then we're gonna go up to the event. This morning was just spent editing, mostly editing 2 videos. The Shay video, Charla, Tay-Day-Fied Charla video, and the vlog. And yeah, it's been a lot. We were laughing a lot editing really actually. Funny. I can't wait till you guys see it. My stomach hurts from laughing. Yeah, oh my god, I miss laughing this much. Laughing till crying.
We'll see each other in a couple days though.
Yeah, we will.
Do they know? Did you tell them?
No, I didn't tell them.
Another secret. So many secrets.
Something fun in a couple days. So yeah, that's what's going on. It's like 3:30 p.m. already. Kiss makeup, you gotta check him out. He does amazing stuff. Look at these lenses.
What's up, guys?
We're all just waiting to go in the room.
Sclera.
So the trick to these sclera lens, he says, because they're so difficult to get in, I always like to do them around Halloween, is this contact lens solution, because it makes it a bit sticky and easier to put in. You don't have to push around your eyes. It's like an advertisement. Ding! Bright as a sun, like the sunshine you are. Mime's here.
Oh my gosh, it was a journey, an epic journey. You would have no idea. But I'm here.
She made it. I hope I can do this event because I have to leave by 5, and it's 20 to 5 now. So I don't even know if I can participate yet. But anyways, this is fun because I get to meet a lot of people and talk and hang out. Okay guys, we're going in.
I have no idea what's going on, but we're going into something.
Oh, wrong door.
I was gonna say, like, what does it look like a horror?
So they've set up all the Halloween settings now. Oh, backgrounds. And we're just checking them out, and that's where this whole event is taking place, this mystery thing, but I don't have time to stay. Oh, floating candles. Konnichiwa. This is so cool. So YouTubers can come in here and film Halloween videos. Oh my
god, it's like dusty.
Whoa, there's a dead baby. This is like a haunted house already.
I love how dusty it looks. That's so neat.
I'm wearing my shoes on tatami and I feel like it.
Oh, I just realized that.
Right, I feel so bad.
Yeah, I was about to take my shoes off. Wait a minute.
Okay, so this is the YouTube Halloween.
Whoa, there's blood.
Terrifying.
This is the normal side? Oh, this is the...
Oh, this is the normal
So they have a not haunted and then haunted you can choose.
Okay.
Cool.
That's neat.
So we have to think of some videos to film in here for Halloween. we're trying to think of some ideas. Thank you so much.
No problem.
It's really nice.
So cool. I love the fog.
Yeah, it's nice that we got to see it because we can think of some ideas now.
Yeah.
We're leaving. We lost Mime.
Where's the door? Where's the door?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll see you Tuesday.
Wait, wave goodbye for the vlog.
Okay. Ready? I gotta get you guys too. Oh, I'm on. I'm rolling.
What have you captured on that camera?
Why is this? It's very okay. There we go. Bye guys. Yeah. See you soon. I'm just waiting for my boyfriend. I grabbed a couple salads for the car ride because festival food is great and yummy, but we might be short of time. So I thought I would grab something healthy at least to get that in, and then we can get some junk food there later, depending how long the lines are. But we really want to see Radiohead, so we have to get there in time because it's going to start at 7. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't get to do the event that I wanted to do today, but it was still fun because I got to meet up with so many people. I also met Venus Angelic and her boyfriend for the first time tonight, and they're super sweet, so cute. I met a lot of people, Kiss on Makeup for the first time. Everybody's so nice, so I felt like it was just like a little mini gathering, just talking for an hour, because that's all I got to go there for. So even though I didn't get to do the event, it was still okay. It was so fun to see everybody. But yeah, Charlotte and Mime are leaving now too. They're heading home. And I'm heading to Summer Sonic, which is in Chiba area, I believe. It's kind of a far drive, like an hour drive or something like that. And I'm gonna film when I get there so you guys can see Radiohead, although I think I won't be that close because we're getting there so late. But we didn't want to go all day because it's really hot. So they have one vegan salad on the menu. It's called ENC. It's got tofu, beans, corn, lots of different stuff, but looks delicious. So I got that one, and then I got my boyfriend the Mexical, I want to say. It has chicken, avocado, tomatoes, onions, that sort of stuff. And we're just driving to Summer Sonic now. Oh, they gave us spoons instead of forks. I guess people eat their salad with spoons. We almost made it. We're still running there. It's the traffic light right now, so I just paused to pick up my camera because we're rushing to get there. We're gonna make it just on time maybe. But I basically finished editing the video and uploading it in the car connected to my phone. I had to, just as it finished uploading, I had to shut down my computer so it's processing on YouTube, which is done by YouTube itself. I don't need to be connected, thank God. Oh, time to run. Trying to get there fast. Where is it? There's a bridge. Right there. Let's go. Okay. Yet. Look at this crowd. Completely packed.
It's just a feeling. It's just a feeling. I'll tell you what freedom is to me. No fear. I mean, really, no fear.
look you in the eyes, you look like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special.
It was so good, and now I'm starving because I didn't eat that much today and we rushed there. So we're just in a supermarket nearby trying to grab some quick food before the hour drive back. One of my videos was released, the other one for some reason didn't work, so I have to fix that in the car.
But I'm a creep, I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
Alright, I am home now. I'm so tired. It's after 11. My eyes are really dry. I need to take out my lenses. But I think I'm going to do a bath bomb tonight because I haven't done that in a while. I want to shower and rinse myself off and then just soak in a hot bath with a bath bomb. So I'm going to do that Twitter poll right now and ask you guys what you want to see. And then I'm going to hop in the bath and head to bed. A really fun day today and really good concert at night. Summer Sonic is a lot of fun if you're in Tokyo around the time that it's on, but it's really hot. But they have a bunch of stuff going on, a lot of food, a lot of drinks, rides. There's many different stages of different concerts, so there's not only one. They have so many bands going on, so it's a lot of fun. Yeah. Didn't get a t-shirt though. I always like getting the band t-shirt that I see, and by the time I got out at night it was closed, or like also though I don't really know, one or the other, but I didn't get one, so that was kind of a bummer. These are the results. Look how crazy close that was. Literally everything won, but I'm only gonna do one, I guess, and that is Pachi Pachi Circus, the winner with 34%. I actually already did this one before. Obviously, you guys didn't watch that vlog, or some of you are new, so here we go again.
I want a perfect body, I want a perfect soul, I want you to notice not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special.